Welcome grade 3s. Let's master addition and subtraction. What we'll learn is to remember, to understand, to apply, to analyze, and to create. Step 1 is to remember and to understand. To remember quick math facts such as 25 plus 35 equals 60. 50 minus 25 equals 25. Then, to understand using a number line, 4 plus 3, 1, 2, 3 equals 7. To apply it, for addition we start at the 1. 5 plus 8 equals 13. Then 4 plus 2 equals 6 plus the 1 equals 7. 3 plus 1 equals 4. Then for subtraction, 2 minus 1 equals 1. 6 minus 4 equals 2. And 5 minus 2 equals 3. 3 is to be a maths detective. Read each problem carefully, then you decide, do we add or subtract? Like the following. Ava has 25 lemons. She gives away 15 lemons. How many are left? So in this case, we use subtraction. 25 minus 15 equals 10. Then Mia buys 3 lollipops. She wins 4 more. How many does she have now? So we add. 3 plus 4 equals 7. Then Lee needs 6 chocolates. She only has 4. How many does she need? We subtract. 6 minus 4 is 2. She needs 2 more. Now create your own word problem. This is your scenario. You go to the shop with 50 Rand. You buy a cake for 30 Rand. Your friend gives you 20 Rand. Then write your own word problem. Step 2. Solve it using plus or minus. Step 3. Explain why you chose that method. This can be done in your workbooks.